Are you ready to get eggin' with me? I sure am. So let's begin. You will need 2 round cups, 2 eggs, 2 small blocks of butter, some dried parsley, grated cheese of your choice, salt, and pepper. First, to make sure the eggs won't stick to the inside of the containers, clean your hands and rub some butter in them. Then crack an egg in each cup. So 1 cup we're going to whisk the egg, and 1 cup we're just going to leave the egg. Now add in your seasonings: salt, pepper, dried parsley. Then give the right egg a quick mix. Then you put them in this fabulous machine. This machine is why I'm such a great cook. Then get your friend George here to preheat the air fryer to 320 at 5 minutes. Then you put the egg cups in the air fryer and set it to 320 at 5 minutes if you want the fried egg to have a runny yolk, or at 7 like I'm going to do if you want it to be more cooked. When they're done cooking, sprinkle on some cheese, any cheese, if you like that kind of thing. And when they're done, you got these delicious, tasty egg cups that will ensure your stomach's in heaven. Be sure to see all my other cool videos. Bye. 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 Bye.